All right, everyone, welcome back. Taking a quick look at XRP here. So XRP on the macro chart here on the weekly candles, you can see we have broken our downtrend. We are holding it as support. And then we had this nice fat green candle that spawned in. So switching back down to the daily chart here on the most recent price action, you can see that from the low to the high, we are holding on to the 382. So as long as XRP can hold on to 70 cents here, we're currently at 73, you are still bullish here. So you did get a nice little bounce off of that price area. If you can continue up, your first resistance is about 78 for about a 6.5% move, and then back here to the top for a 26% move to 93. So watch 78 and about 93 if you can move back up. But this fat, or this long wick here rather, looks very much like the top for now. So if you are going to retrace more, you might get a little spike up to the 78 level and then come right back down. But if you come up here and get rejected, I would say you're probably in store for a little deeper retracement here, maybe down to the 0.5. So if you do come up about 6.5% and you cannot get over 78, you're probably going to end up coming back down here if you take out 70 for about a 16.5% drop down to 64. So just kind of watch the prices. Really don't pay attention to the percentages here. If you hold 70, you're still bullish. You break above 78 to 80 cents, you're extremely bullish for that push higher up here to the $93 range, or 93 cent range rather. So just keep an eye on those there. But like I've said before in previous updates and just a while ago, this looks like your top is in here. So especially with this other wick that's forming here. And if we zoom down to the smaller time frames, you're starting to make lower lows and lower highs here. So the top may be in for XRP here. So just pay attention to 70. If you take out 70, then you're going to have some deeper retracements on your hand down here to 64, and then ultimately down here to the 60 cent range at the 618 here. But I would say that XRP really needs to come down and hold the 60 cent range at the 618. You really don't want to drop any lower than that. You can see the 618 here. If we draw a line at this 60 cent range, you can see this is where we have macro support at and resistance in this price area. You could, even come down to the 786 at 52. You can see here. So we could probably end up drawing on the macro picture here, drawing a box here, and this is the price you want to hold, anywhere from 52 up to about 60 cents on XRP here needs to hold for macro support here, and maybe we can get some macro consolidation here and then a push higher come the next bull run here. So that's really all I got for XRP. On the bigger picture, you want to stay above the 50 to 60 cent range, and in the shorter time frame here, if you can stay above 70, you are still extremely bullish. If you push above 80, then there's a chance you're going to start going again. So we will leave it at that on XRP. The Heikin-Ashi candles here on the daily chart, you can see they are still printing green. We are still trending up, but they are getting smaller. So we could have a reversal on our hands here on XRP. So we'll see how it plays out. The money flow index you can see here has kind of just been hanging around the middle. It did have that spike off of that green candle here, but it is back down here in the middle again. So we may be in store for some more chop here on XRP. So if you can chop around above 70, that is a really good indication that you may start pushing higher at some point on XRP here. So we will leave it at that. But you could also say this on XRP before I end this. You could say this is accumulation down here, spike up, distribution, and then we're going to fall off the table. That could be the case. We could consolidate up here and then drop back down to this macro support box down here on XRP. So we'll leave it at that for now. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.